Define the launching oblique recovery of the lifeboat oblique rescue boat in emergency in heavy weather. When ship is abandoned in heavy weather, additional precaution will be required while lowering the lifeboat. Boat on the leeward side can be launched more conventionally as compared to the one on the windward side. For recovery, suitable leads shall be provided to the rescue boat. Fenders shall be rigged both on parent ship and on the boat. Fenders shall be rigged at the both forward and aft end of the boat, and these shall be tendered oblique heaved as the boat is lowered oblique heaved. Fiber or synthetic rope may be passed around the boat falls and a stanchion aboard the parent ship. Heaving line may be attached to the lower fall block. Person not engaged in launching should be seated as low down as possible. The boat should be launched onto a wave crest and with downward roll of the ship if she is rolling. The winch brake should be then be kept in the up position so that the falls will be slackened as the lifeboat move into the trough of the next wave or as the parent vessel roll in the opposite direction. This will then ensure that the boat's crew will be able to let go the falls whilst uh, they are still slack. The boat may be have to be fended off the ship side after lowering using boat hook or oars. The engine shall be started prior to lowering lifeboat in the water. The gear should be engaged as soon as the lifeboat is in the water. Recovery step provided in rescue boat eliminate the danger of occupant being hit by the boat fall block.